Hello everyone and welcome to Relinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the DirectX error could not allocate sufficient memory in Windows 11. And now let's get started. This DirectX error can be quite frustrating, especially when you are trying to enjoy a game or use a demanding application. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to resolve it. The first method to address this issue is by increasing the paging file size on your Windows machine. To begin, click on the search icon and type View Advanced System Settings. Select the best match, which is View Advanced Settings, to open the dialog. Within the Advanced System Settings window, navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, under the Performance section, click on the Settings button. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab once more. Ensure that Adjust for Best Performance of Programs is selected, then click on Change. On the Change Virtual Memory screen, uncheck the box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then, select Custom Size. You will need to set an initial paging file size and a maximum paging file size. As a general recommendation, the initial size should be 1.5 times the size of your RAM, and the maximum size should be 3 times your RAM. To find your RAM size, you can right-click on the Start button, and then click on System. For example, if your RAM is 8 GB, 1.5 times that would be approximately 12,000 MB for the initial size, and 3 times would be 36,000 MB for the maximum size. After entering these values, click on Set, and then click OK. It is important to restart your computer after making these changes to allow them to take effect. Check if your issue has been resolved. If increasing the paging file size did not fix the problem, you can try clearing the DirectX shader cache. To do this, go back to the search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Double-click on the Disk Cleanup option to open the tool. In the Disk Cleanup window, scroll down and make sure to check the box for DirectX shader cache. Then, click OK. If prompted to permanently delete the files, confirm by clicking Delete Files. This action will remove temporary files and the DirectX shader cache from your computer. Once completed, close the window and check if the issue is resolved. The third step involves updating or reinstalling your graphics driver. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, locate and expand the Display Adapter section. If you have a dedicated graphics card, you will likely see more than one display adapter listed. You can choose to update the driver for either your integrated graphics or your dedicated graphics card. Right-click on the display adapter you wish to update and select Update Driver. Choose the option that says Search Automatically for Drivers. Alternatively, you can select Search for Updated Drivers on Windows Update. This will check if there are any newer graphics drivers available through Windows Update. If any updates are found, proceed to install them and then restart your computer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the DirectX error. If you are still experiencing problems after trying all of these solutions, please leave a comment in the section below.